Back and neck problems are the number one cause of chronic pain in America today. Everybody knows somebody that suffers from this condition. You should also know their doctors, as these may be the doctors that you want to avoid, especially if you've suffered an injury to your spine. You see, injuries to the ligaments that hold the spine together are the most common cause of this pain. Spinal ligaments are comprised of 23 discs and over 197 other non-disc ligaments. The disc problems are picked up on MRI. The other non-disc ligament injuries are picked up with specialized X-ray testing. At our office, our primary focus is on these spinal ligament injuries. We get down to the cause of your problem and treat that. If you've suffered a spinal injury, please call our office today.